Hey guys, I'm Seema from Seema Clay Jewelry. I'm happy to announce the launch of new online polymer clay jewelry designing video, the Filigree Work, which is also called Embroidery with Polymer Clay. You already know, we Indians love embroidery work, be it Lucknowi kadhai, chikankari, kantha work, gota work, Kashmiri kadhai. So many different variations of embroidery are there in India. Now you can do that with polymer clay. In this class, you will learn how to design this pendant and earrings with polymer clay. You can reach me directly on my mobile or WhatsApp number for purchase of this video. To see my free polymer clay videos, you can see my YouTube channel Seema Clay. The link is given in the post above. You can click on that link to access my free videos. Please hit the subscribe button to see more free videos in polymer clay. Stay home, stay safe, bye-bye.